Hey guys, how's it going? Today's gonna be the day that we're finally taking delivery of our WIDEBODY BMW E34, and it should be here any moment. So I'm really excited, and when it gets here, I'll show you. I think I see it coming. Nope, front car. I see it coming. It's on its way. Looking beautiful as always.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got.
So it's finally unloaded. The guy is leaving now, and this is how it looks. So you all read the title, you know that it's broken. So to start off, the easy parts, the interior, it just needs a little bit putting together, nothing major. Look at the rims though, and the calipers. I'm gonna leave the mic with you guys, and let's get a little cold start for you. Hear that? So I know this is a weird jump off, but I had some health issues. So the unloading took about 20-30 minutes, and during that time I started feeling really weird. And when I finally made it inside, my blood pressure was really high, my pulse was really high, and my blood oxygen was really low. It's been close to an hour now, I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I've had my soup, and I actually recorded this already one time, but I forgot to turn the microphone on, so A plus, and let's do it again. So the main reason you're wondering what's wrong with the car. The first things that's wrong with it is the differential. It's leaking, and when the car was on the trailer, I saw that the driver's side rear axle had like disconnected from the differential, or there was like a almost a centimeter gap between them. So I think that's where the leak came from, and I don't know if it just came undone or something broke inside, so we need to investigate that further. The second main issue is the little rubber thing connecting the drive shaft to the gearbox. We think that's the main issue that's broken or worn out, because that's the thing, we didn't replace it, we reused the old one, so it might be just out of order, and that's what's causing the banging on the car. The second thing could be the gearbox. I've now only driven it at slow speed, so you saw me just park the car because it has no coolant in it, because it also overheated on the first drive. So there's some things that needs to be fixed, nothing major, and the reason the car got brought to me in this condition is me and the builder and some irrelevant people, we got into a little bit of a disagreement, and we decided the best course of action is just to finish the project as is, send it to me, and I'll deal with the final fixings and putting together and getting the trim in and all that. And since it came out of the blue, it's gonna take some time to find a garage and find the tools and find what's wrong with the car actually. So that all will be on the channel when we start working on the car. And so far, everything that's been done to the car, it's been wide-bodied. It has a M52 B28 inline 6 2.8 liter swap in it. It has upgraded brakes, new brake lines, new petrol lines, and everything's been registered. So the engine swap and the wide-body kit is registered officially. And the only thing we need to do now is pass the inspection, so I just gotta fix those minor little things and that should be it. So as you can see, there's not a lot wrong with it, but still enough to do to put this all together. Many of you have seen the build. If you haven't, I'll list down in the description everything that we've done so far. So from most of the build to painting the car to what happened in between and today's video. And if you wish to support me or the car, you can always get some merch. The link will be in the description, so you can get this design or any other from the website. So feel free to look at it, and I think that's gonna be all for today, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.